Hello pre-algebra, this is lesson 76. In today's lesson you're going to be multiplying with scientific notation. Remember, this is scientific notation. When you have a number and you times it by 10 to a power, so in this case it's 4 times 10 to the 5th power times 2 times 10 to the negative 2 power. So before we get to this one that's a little bit more complicated, let's do a little bit easier. So here we have 4 times 10 cubed times 10 squared. When you are dealing with scientific notations, when you have two numbers that are the same, notice how these are both 10, and they both have exponents, you have to remember this rule. What you do is you add the exponents. You do not multiply the exponents, you add them. Let me show you why. This would be, if I write this out the long way, it would be 4 times 10. How many times am I going to multiply 10? 3 times. Times 10, times 10, times 10. And then I'm going to multiply it again. We'll do that. And how many will I multiply 10 this time? Twice. Times 10, times 10. So here's 10 to the 3rd power. Here's 10 squared. How many 10s do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why when you're multiplying exponents, you actually connect them by adding them. Okay? So this would be 4 times 10 to the what? 5th power. This is your answer. They're not actually This is your answer. They're not actually asking you to solve it. They want you to write it in basically an exponential form that is reduced, or you go as far as you can without solving it. Okay, let's do another one of those. Here, they have 3 times 10 to the 4th power times 10 to the negative 2. Well, now they're trying to trick you because what's the rule with the exponents? You add them. So it'd be 3 times 10 to the 4th plus negative 2. You should know how to do this now. This is actually saying 4 minus 2. So your answer would be 3 times 10, 4 plus negative 2, you're $4. You spend $2, you have $2 left. So 3 times 10 squared. That would be your answer. Okay, let's go a little bit more difficult. So now you have 2 sets of problems. You have 4 times 10 to the 5th power times 2 times 10 to the negative 2nd power. You want to do this in 2 steps. First, you want to take the whole numbers and multiply those. So 4 times 2 is 8. Now, you want to take the exponents and multiply those. 10 to the 5th times 10 to the negative 2, would be like this. 10 to the 5th plus negative 2. Remember, you add these exponents. 5 plus negative 2, and your answer would be 8 times 10. 5 plus negative 2 would be 3. Let's do another one. 2 steps, remember. Multiply the whole numbers. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 to the 8th times 10 to the 3rd is times 10. What do I do with those exponents? I add them. 8 plus 3 is 11. So your answer is 9 times 10 to the 11th. Let's do another one. You multiply the whole numbers. 4 times 6.2. We're going to have to do that math. 6.2 times 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 6 is 24. Count your loops of decimals. 1, 1. So we have 24.8 times 10. We can do the 10, right? Now we do our exponents. Negative 6 plus 4. You're negative 6 in the hole. You pay $4 off. You still owe $2 minus 2. Okay? All right. So just remember to break it into its steps. Good luck. Bye.